Today weekly option expiry day. 1 minute of market open 9:16 a.m. buy call generator. Green color candle open. Buy at 44,704 our entry point. First target is a 100-point target. Second target is a 200-point target. Below red color line is the stop loss line. Daily basis in live market, automatically it will generate calls like this. You can, how you are watching the video, you are going to watch the chart, watch this chart, get the call and place the order in your broker account. Manual trading, auto trading, both are possible. So for plan details, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Within 10 minutes of buy call generator, it successfully break out the first target 816, more than 120-point momentum. Meanwhile, in at the money option, 44,000 call option, 44,700 call option today expiring. At 78 buy call generator and it break out 120, more than a 40-point momentum in at the money option. Like this today call generator and break out the target. For chart plan detail, if you want to subscribe for it, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide you the detail. Thank you.